Meeting Kenny's big supermarket, shopping center, not only supermarket, it's a shopping center, very mighty. And the name of this shopping center is called City Center. Io sono sempre ancora qui a Meeting Kenny's. È un grande supermercato, c'è tutto dentro, molto grande, e che si chiama City Center. It was in the morning time, so there was no too many people yet. People come in the afternoon, and they told me that in the afternoon, everywhere here is full. They have all kind of shops here inside. Anything you want, you can get here. The whole thing that you want to buy, you can get here in this city center shopping. Questo posto, qualsiasi cosa che vuoi comprare lo puoi trovare qua, in questo city center in Meeting Kenny's. È un supermercato gigante, molto grande, dove ce n'è tutta roba di firma, tutte le robe da mangiare, cibo, tutto. In this market, in this shopping center, they have food, they have clothes, they sell design clothes, telephone, anything you want to get, you can get them here. And I am here waving you people, sono qua, salutando tutti, e devo spostarmi per un'altra parte. And here I have to leave to go to another place again. My adventure continue. And here I came again. I join again my video to this beautiful place that I cannot do without, Cricklewood. Because greetings to all of you. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Thank everybody. Please like my video, share my video. God bless you. Thank you. Thank you.